Hey y'all, Sam here, and today we're going to unbox the July Sephora Play Box. I have not seen any spoilers on this box, so I have no idea what's going to be in it, which is kind of fun because it's been a while since I've seen no spoilers. So here is the bag this month. It's Sephora Play is always in these little like satchel bags that you can open up, and it says hot, hot, hot because it's summertime. I do think this is one of the cuter bags that we've received in the last several months, and I really like the hot pink, so we're off to a good start. So with the Sephora Play Box, you always get a big flyer like this that tells you about this month's products. Here is the other side, which I don't want to look at too hard because I want to be surprised when we get into this bag. So let's see what we have. All right, so the first thing I feel is a foil packet. Never excited about these. All right, so the first product we have here is a MARAJO hair care. So it looks like it is a nourishing shampoo and a deep treatment butter. The card says this is a hydrating shampoo and conditioner that nurtures the hair with botanical oils and rich butter. If you've been here for a while, you know I'm never really excited about shampoo and conditioner, but you know, I'll throw it in my guest room and maybe someone will use it one day. All right, let's see what we have next. Got a couple big things. Let's see what this one is. Okay, I've already received this in, BoxyCharm. We got this in June, and this is the Brazilian Bumbum cream. Also, this is on Sephora's website right now as a product you can buy with your Sephora points. Like these on your play card, you get these, and every time you order you get points and you can get free samples. So I actually already have 2 of these. It is a nice cream, it smells good. I haven't really tried it on my Bumbum yet, so I'm not sure how well that's gonna work on your bum, but it's a nice cream, and I'm not gonna open this one because I might pass this one on to someone else since I already have 2 of them. All right, let's go for the next biggest thing. Dropping stuff. All right, we have Living Proof Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. It says that this is great for humidity. It is a frizz taming styling cream that blocks moisture that's in the air from weighing down your hair. I do live in South Georgia and the humidity here is awful. However, I have the most smooth, thin, silky hair, which I know most people are like, that's fabulous. You should love that. No, I hate it. I have no frizz to my hair, so I do not see me using this, so I'll probably have to set this aside, maybe put in a giveaway for later for someone that has some frizz to their hair. I'm always in seek of trying to get frizz, you know, like curl, tease, hairspray, something to make this hair look like anything that it's not. All right, 3 items left. Next biggest one. We have a Clinique Take the Day Away Makeup Remover. It says that this is a gentle eye makeup remover and it'll remove your makeup without stinging or tugging. So that's nice. Obviously it's great for your eyes, and I use a cleanser like this almost daily to remove my eye makeup because I feel like I could never get all my eye makeup off. I hate when I got the shower and then I got like raccoon eyes. I can't be the only one that happens to, but I look like a raccoon. So I have to use Q-tips and some of that stuff. So that I will definitely be using. So far we haven't had anything that I can really like try out for you guys on camera. That kind of sucks. All right, next we have this little tiny box from Cover FX, and it is a perfect setting powder. This is a very small box though, so it can't be a very big sample. And it's not, it's super tiny. It's really kind of cute though. The color I have is called Translucent Light. And we're going to go ahead and open it up and put a little powder on my face and check it out. My makeup's been on for a few hours. I put my makeup on about 7 and it is about 1:30 right now. I'm on my lunch break. And I decided to film this video for you guys since I checked the mail and my box was here. Actually not that shiny right now, but let's test her out. Ugh, Don't you hate when you get your hair in your brush? It's annoying. Looks good. My face looks a little less shiny than it did a second ago. I will definitely be trying this out on like fresh makeup before I put other powder on, because I do have banana powder on. But anyway, this one I am excited about. So far, everything I've tried from Cover FX I've really liked. So it seems like they have some really good products. Okay, so the last item is a Too Faced Melted Matte. I own a couple of their melted lipsticks and I really don't care for them. However, this one says it's matte, so maybe it will not be so slippery. I already have lipstick on, but let's go ahead and swatch this on my hand. It's a really pretty mauve color. I can see a lot of people liking this color. Let's just go ahead and throw a little bit of this on top of my current lipstick. It's definitely lighter, so maybe I'll just put it in the middle. Okay, you can't really see that. Let me just put it everywhere. So here is the lipstick on. It's actually really pretty. So this month's box was a little heavy on the skincare. We did not get a perfume sample. I think that they replaced the perfume with this foil packet of shampoo. And then, as you remember, we got 3 skincare products and we received 2 makeup products. But overall, I am still really happy with this box. I think if I had frizzy hair, this is a great size sample. It looks to be very luxe. This Frizz stuff right here. Bumbum cream. Everyone's talking about this right now because it's everywhere. And, you know, some cute little makeup products. Love the lipstick color, which is fabulous. So for $10, I definitely think we got our money's worth. What do you guys think? Do you think that the July's box was good? Leave a comment below. Let me know if you also got something different in your box than I got in my box this month. Well, until next time, bye y'all. Oh, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you want to, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If not, maybe I'll catch you next time. Bye y'all.